Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Velvaddy Burr. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So, first thing we gotta do with this puzzle is we gotta take out these rods, and they're just holding in the pieces of the burr. Now that we have that disassembled, we will want to push this piece in. Like so. And that will allow us to slide this over. We want to just slide it over one notch. And we can move this piece over. We will then want to slide this chunk over, up, and out, and it should just drop. We will then slide this big chunk, and we just gotta make sure all the pieces line up to their proper slots, and we will just slide this up to the center, up, over, and down. Then from here, we will slide like that. We will slide this piece up and down. Then we can slide this over. And it should just go in. It's a little sticky. Over, and then we'll actually move him all the way over here, off the way, and then move this up, and then from here we should just be able to slide this piece out. If it can stop being sticky. There we go. And from here, this big chunk should just come out. And we can also remove this chunk off the end. So putting back together, we want to start with this piece. Then we want to take this. Then we want to slide it back here. Then we want to take this piece, put it in here, move this over here like that, and down. So we got our 3 pieces. So now we just want to get these 2 in. and we're back to the start. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.